Hi there. To use the signature on your iPhone or iPad, you have to save it on files. I saved it under files and I just clicked on it to open. Then you have to go to options and select the copy option. Go to your setting and then find the mail and the mail setting and signature. Then hold it and paste here. Signature setup is done. Now you can check it by sending a test mail to yourself. So see, I sent myself a test mail with the signature. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to get more email tips like this. Thank you.